Hello from another nudist beach in Stockholm, or more specifically in Värmdö. This is Björno Nudist Beach. Huge, wild, rocky nudist beach out on the Baltic Sea, and it looks absolutely stunning. So it is quite close to the main road, and we can see also the Björkvik bus station on the other side, where the buses 428 and 429 pass by. But it's also maybe around 1 kilometer to walk to there. And there is even a parking nearby if you're coming by car. And it's quite amazing indeed. And yes, it is 25th of July, and I have been running to get here from another nudist beach on the very end of Björnö Nature Reserve. And after this I will need to run 2 kilometers to Lilla Sand, where my stuff are actually. But I have been on this beach, was it 2 weeks ago or something? And it was so much windy and very scary to make a swim with all the waves. But today it's a bit more calmer sea. We have 23 degrees Celsius in the air and 21 degrees in the Baltic Sea. And it is time for another beach adventures with Chris. Yes, on this beach day number 104 on my Sweden beach adventures. And the good thing is that the day is so long today, so you can basically do beach adventures until 9 p.m. So that's amazing. And yes, let's then embrace the beauty and find a way to take a swim on this nudist beach, Björno Björkvik. Right. Let's then see how we can successfully manage to take a swim, as it is quite slippery here, I'm not gonna lie. So we must be careful, that means. But it is obviously a lot easier without the huge waves that were here last time I was here. But yes, it looks absolutely stunning and breathtaking indeed. Look at that. Alright, here we can also walk as well because of the many rocks, and that means that we are ready to take a dive on this Björno Björkvik nudist beach. So follow me as we are diving into the Baltic Sea. Let's then go! Amazing. It's so beautiful. So beautiful indeed. Look at this. With the sun up, it looks absolutely amazing. Beautiful nature out on the Baltic Sea. Amazing cliffs and rocks here to explore as much as you want. So it's a huge nudist beach obviously, but I didn't see anyone here today, unfortunately. So it is also quite nice to be on a nudist beach by yourself. I can tell you right away. So yes, that's a wrap then from another beach adventure from Björnö Nature Reserve at this Björno Björkvik nudist beach. That's quite easily accessible, and make sure to visit it if you are in Stockholm as well, out in Värmdö obviously this is. So thank you so much for watching this beach adventure with Chris from Björno Björkvik nudist beach, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure from the channel Beach Adventures with Chris.